Pues vamos, culera, vamos. Vamos, te quedes bien verga, culera.
No me
Pinche
creo,
perra.
soy verga.
A mí no me estás cagando el palo, mierda. A mí no me estás cagando el palo, ¿a poco crees?
Que baixar més cap a dreta per Messi, 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 immens Messi, encara 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 Messi.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see. I wanna run, smash into you.
Much fair, sorry.
She's so happy with herself right now. You proud of yourself? Did you do that? Did you do that when I was asleep?
Did this? You chew the chopping board, Chloe. Did you do it? Did you do it, Chloe? Did you do it?
Ah, that's my girl. You coming to the beach with me?
Why?
You're a turd.
Run and jump and oh dang it. Okay, let's try again. Back it up and jump and dang it. Let's see. Oh, I did it!
Here, Mickey. Here. Here, Mickey.
You're on.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
You got the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my baby boy. And my cousin.
He's not your cousin, he's a puppy.
He's my baby boy cousin because he's so cute.
Quem é que roeu isto? Quem foi? Hã? Quem foi? Julie? Ai, 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 ai. Quem foi que roeu isto?
Come on inside. Tonka, come. Come on. Come on. girls.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't.
Had to get her a tablet. This is the only way she'll stay up out your phone, because if your phone on, she come push your whole phone out your hand.
How do you like your bandana? You look super handsome. Yeah, I agree. Ugh.
Слышь ты, блядь, японский летчик, дай мне полы помыть, а? Леня! Так, Леня, блядь. Вот что делать с тобой? Пойди нахрен отсюда, говорю, ты же сейчас еще перевернешь ведро.
So confused. Nina, hug him. Nina, gently lang. Oh!
Cleo. Cleo. Papá. Mira. Cleo. Cleo.
God. We gotta. Set him down so he can eat. Good girl.
You.
Timon! ¿Qué estás viendo, papi? High five. Boop. Can I have a COVID? COVID? Can I have a achoo? Can you speak?
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Bro, we've been waiting.
We spent 3 hours going with the rules and you don't know what you're doing
You
yet?
had time to get a Coke, but pick up the card. Pick up the card.
This.
You don't like your jammies? Oh my god.
Get your ass away from my plate.
Происходит. Бойся, пожалуйста.
He's inspecting.
Georgie.
He's inspecting.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Are you crazy? Have you lost it? What do you think you're doing? Of all the places you could do that.
Solamente en Cristo.
Solamente en Él la salvación. Se encuentra en Él, no hay otro.
Yeah?
16 years old and dog years.
He's so scared just to touch it. Oh my god.
Are you so hungry?
What's a soulmate?
It's well, it's like a best friend, but more.
Fast.
Back ball. Here it is. Oh!
We all are strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Risa, come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to drag you out.
Come get in. Come on, Charlie. Charlie.
Get in the tub. Charlie, come on.
Boys. Winston. Was it you? Tucker. Was it you, Tucker?
Did you make this mess, Dakota? Was it Phoenix? Who made this mess?
Is that your baby, Mama? Give kiss kiss.
Hey, shake a paw. Paw? Shake a paw. Okay, now here you go.
Kiss me. No, sir. Hey.
What did you guys do? What did you do? Holy.
I just have to send this email. I just have to send an email. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's your bone. Take your bone.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, no. Oh.
Oh, just forget it.
Dude, what even is that? Give it to me. Oh! Ow! Da-da-da, da-da-da.
Uy!
Bakit siya makalis?
Halika na dito!
Ready, Jersey? Go see Bob. Go see Bob.
We got her first big toy. I think she likes him.
Uh-oh. Frida. Frida, get off of Fuzzy's head.
So the owners told me that one dog is clingy and one dog is chill.
Is there a caca over there? Oh, is there a caca?
Caca.
Yeah.
Caca.
Go, go.
No, tô muito beijinho gostoso. Oh, meu Deus, quanto amor. Quanto amor.
What have you done? What have you done?
Pups can sing words.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Roxy, baby. Hey.
The man's cancer diagnosis in 2022 left him unable to care for his dog, but the news he's in remission helped him adopt her again. Doggy has never said it before, but we all know reunion is his greatest desire. Hugging was the only way this boy could express how much he missed her. Doggy's memory barely recognizes Papa because of 6 months apart, but his heart never forgets.
That's
serious. This is Figment.
Kinder.
The tourists brought their baby to meet the orangutan. I bet the orangutan was thinking, oh, a mini me, without the opposable thumbs.
Only the baby. So the Sophia, only this Sophia.
Un po'. Vieni qua che ti saluto un po'. Come stai? Come stai? Come stai, amore? Puzzoloso mio, come stai? Oh, che caffè. Anche te, c'è
Doggy had nurtured his longing during the 4 months of separation, and now all that longing had paid off.
Please go.
That's my nose.
The airport is where most reunions happen. The soldier definitely misses his doggy every day.
And then the pink. She's a set.
This horse never forgot the volunteer who saved him from the fire. Her kindness made him believe in the miracle of life.
I'll grab one.
Hi.
Hello.
I don't know how he ended up so far away, but...
Hi, babe. Hi.
This lost puppy has had a hard time being alone out there. He probably still thinks this beautiful reunion is just a fantasy.
You're home, bud.
That college boy is surrounded not only by furry friends, but also by thousands of nostalgia and loves.
It's your cat.
Hey, kitty cat Sam.
Even though Kitty has been lost for 11 years, they still don't give up hope and find each other again.
Yes.
Hi, guys. Tail. He's going from ears back.
Oh my God, my baby boy! Yes! Come here! Come here! Oh yes! Come here!
God heard her prayer to help her find her lost doggy. No matter what, the doggy still recognized his loved one. The century-old tortoise's slow steps could not hide his joyful heart after being rescued to be reunited with humans.
Sevi, Reba, Cisco, Henry, Stealing Gadget, Sophie, Enzo and Tadish, Daisy.
As you can see, we're doing some construction, so Winnie has her safety hat on.
Oh, yeah.
You have your safety hat on?
I safety dog.
Yes. Safety first.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Come on! Dixie!
Does anybody else dog sleep like this?
God damn. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Big honey. Good luck bringing it up here. Oh. You got it.
Oi, no. You're smiley. Look at the little baby.
Little teeth.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Que no puede ser? Me cago en-
Where did you find a whole sausage? And what makes you think that you can eat that?
Betty, you're supposed to be walking.
boy laughs.
Nico hungry.
Vai, solta. Ó. Gatinha. Você tá rindo de mim? Não acredito. Eu não acredito.
Kylo, what are you doing? Back it up. Back it up. Back. Get off of there. Back it up. Keep going.
Do you see how I give you the side eye? Very demure, very mindful. I don't stare at you like I'm an evil beast.
Buddy, you gotta go. Let's go.
Can you tell him this is loitering?
Give him the ticket, give him the ticket.
All right.
Work.
Yep.
Steady.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on. Good boy.
Jasper, what's the problem?
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Get your ball, River. Get it. Get it, River.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal.
Max! You're videotaping.
Yes, Max!
No!
No! Max!
No!
Oh my gosh.
Max, no!
Max, come! Come! Max!
Come,
Ah,
Max,
ah,
come.
ah. Max!
Gente, como é que eu vou fazer isso? Oh. Oh.
Good job! Can you do it? Yay! Come on, puppy! Yay! Puppy, puppy!
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
You liking the snow out there, buddy? Ooh, shake it off. Good boy.
Angel! No!
Oh my goodness gracious. What? You're gonna break the house!
Say hello to Maggie, get on board. Choo, choo. Oh, we say hello to Maggie. We say hello to Maggie. We say
Running start. Oh!
Here, over here.
Go to sleep.
Does it meet your standard of surfing, chick?
I think so.
She just took the ball right off.
No, no, no. We'll lay it out. All right. Mochi. Mochi. 10. 15.
Excuse me. No, we do not trim the tree this way. Hey! Oh my god.
You do this? Penny. Did you do that? Huh? Was that you? Oh my
Ready? I know it's cold.
What?
Oh my goodness, Winnie!
Excuse me?
Pull the steer and do this. Ah! Like a whale!
Putain, con.
Say, I love you. Say, I love you. I love you. Vinny, say, I love you.
Chop, chop, chop. Oh.
Come on, V, get it.
Hi, Cricket.
Shit.
You're so cute. You're so cute.